How are you doing? My name is JD Mason and I'm the leader for LibertyLive.online, and I'm glad that you can join us. We are here for volunteers, and so this is a volunteer training video. So maybe you clicked that you would like to volunteer, or maybe you clicked and you submitted a request because you just want to know more about what we do here at LibertyLive.online. Well, hey, I'm going to show you my screen so that you can see what a chat host does, what a live prayer host does, and I'm going to explain and give some details as to what online connect groups look like and what our call team looks like. So I'm going to share my screen so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, let's dig in. So this is the main screen right here. So once you log on, this is what you'll see. We have here your name right here. So if you need to log on, we ask you that you make an account. Once you make an account, you put your email information in, you put your password in, and then you have an account. And once you do that, I will give you rights as a chat host or prayer host or whichever that you're going for. All right, we have a give button here, volunteer, prayer request, and a red connect card. So the red card / connect card is just our connections card. So if somebody's looking for more information, they can click on there. The prayer request is for prayer requests when we're not live, and then volunteer is probably what you clicked on to get this video because you were interested as to how to volunteer and what we do. So our chat box is right here. So our chat host, let's go ahead and get rid of that. Our chat host is our first position that we're offering. And what that is you log on about 15 minutes before our service time. So let's say we have our calendar, and this is just a test run right now. So let's say we're running on Thursday at 11:21 a.m. We would like you there 15 minutes before that time. And so once you get there early, that means that you're prepared and you're having conversations with people already, welcoming them in as they come along into the service. And so as you enter into the chat, you can say hello, welcome, and you just say whatever username somebody's using. All right, next, I'm looking for my chat host to be able to have conversations and answer any questions that anybody might have about the ministry. Next, we have prayer host. So when somebody clicks this button right here, it says, are you hurting or need to talk to someone? That is going to be where the live prayer hosts come in. And once they click that, it's going to bring up a separate chat box right here. It's just going to add another level right here, and it's going to say live prayer. And you're going to have one-on-one conversations with somebody typing out prayers, and they're going to give an example of what they're going through, whether it's an illness or maybe they lost their job, whatever they're going through. You type out a prayer with them and you pray with them. And once you say amen, you end it, and then you go right back to the chat. And so that's how that works. Right here is our main video screen, of course. You can make it full screen, but we ask that if you're a prayer host or a chat host that you do not make it full screen. So here we also have where people are streaming from. So right now it's a downtime and we're just in a beta phase. So we don't have anybody streaming right now. So once we do, you'll see little blue icons just like that showing up. And here we have the sermon title, we have who is speaking, and we also have cool share buttons. So if you click on this, it'll go to your Twitter and it'll say, hey, check us out here. If you have Facebook, it'll link to your Facebook, your email, and even Google+. So this is our overview of what it would look like to volunteer for the online ministry. Next, we have Connect Groups. So Connect Groups online is when we have a certain time where people meet all across the world, and it's an awesome time. So let's say you meet at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock across the nation at 6 p.m., you would have 10 other people, possibly up to 50 people, all in one group. And it's an amazing, awesome opportunity to have a connection with other people. And so we have online Connect Groups, and we also will have Facebook pages for each Connect Group. So that way you can have prayer requests throughout the week, and maybe you can share a message that you heard or maybe something inspirational to you throughout the week. Next, we have a call team. Our call team will be people who maybe want to know more information about what we do here. Maybe they have questions about Pastor Grant or a message that they heard, or maybe they want to receive salvation. So for our call team, we would like for them to understand the salvation prayer. We want them to understand certain Bible verses that can lead to those conversations. And maybe people just need prayer for health issues or family issues. And so we want our call team to be people who love on people, people who have empathy, and people who can understand what others are going through. So that is the overview of our online volunteer positions. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is jmason@libertylive.com. And I hope to hear from you soon. And thank you so much for your interest in volunteering with the LibertyLive.online ministry team.